Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see vulnerability management in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management discovers vulnerable and misconfigured devices based on known attack vectors and software vulnerabilities. Let's say you are a SOC analyst working at a company that has implemented Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, and you are responsible for working with the endpoint management team to remediate weakness reported by vulnerability management. A new threat is listed in the threat analytics dashboard. You can quickly see that none of your devices are vulnerable to this new threat because vulnerability management has already provided the analysis required on your devices. Okay. Now, to understand the vulnerability management, let me open up a text box here. I'll mention the important points. See, effectively identifying, assessing and remediating endpoint weaknesses is pivotal in running a healthy security program and reducing organizational risk. Vulnerability management serves as an infrastructure for reducing organizational exposure, hardening endpoint surface area, and increasing organizational resilience. We can discover vulnerabilities and misconfigurations in real time with sensors and without the need for agents or periodic scans. And you can bridge the workflow gaps. Vulnerability management is built in real time and cloud powered. It's fully integrated with the Microsoft Endpoint Security Stack, the Microsoft Intelligent Security Graph, and the Application Analysis Analytics Knowledge Base. Vulnerability management is the industry's first solution to bridge the gap between security administration and IT administration. You have the real-time discovery. Okay, to discover endpoint vulnerabilities and misconfiguration, vulnerability management uses the same agentless built-in Defender for Endpoint to reduce cumbersome network scans and IT overhead. It provides a real-time device inventory. Okay, what does it do? Devices onboarded to Defender for Endpoint automatically report and push vulnerability and security configuration data to the dashboard. Visibility into software and vulnerabilities. Software. Alright. So optics into the organization, software inventory and software changes like installations, uninstalls and patches. Newly discovered vulnerabilities are reported with actionable mitigation recommendations for first and third party applications. And we can have application runtime context. Application runtime context, which is visibility on applications usage patterns for better prioritization and decision making. You can also see configuration posture. Okay. Visibility into organizational security configuration or misconfigurations. Issues are reported in the dashboard with actionable security recommendations. You also have intelligence-driven prioritization, which is vulnerability management helps customers prioritize and focus on the weaknesses that pose the most urgent and the highest risk to the organization. It will fuse the security recommendations with dynamic threat and business context. It will expose the emerging attacks. It will pinpoint the active breaches. It will protect high value assets. All of these would be done with seamless remediation. Vulnerability management allows security administrators and IT administrators to collaborate seamlessly to remediate issues. Remediations request sent to the IT team. We can have alternate mitigations. We can have real-time remediation status, so on and so forth. And if you want to do a vulnerability management walkthrough, I'll try to show you that in the next video, but I hope this was informative for all of you guys. Just the basic introduction of vulnerability management in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. If you still have any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.